Hello! In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the k and g sounds. The k and g sounds are made in the back of your mouth. Okay, to start, we're going to work on the k sound, which is also known as the coughing sound. Both the k and g sounds are made in the same place in your mouth. The only difference is that for the k sound, we are going to have our voice off. Okay, so to make your k sound, we are going to take the tip of your tongue, which is also known as the front of your tongue, and place it behind your lower bottom teeth. By placing your tongue behind your lower bottom teeth, your tongue will stay nice and low in your mouth. Now, the k sound is working the back of your mouth. So holding your tongue nice and low is going to help the back of your mouth focus on its work. K, k. Did you see how my tongue moved up and down in the back? K, k. I keep the tip of my tongue behind my bottom teeth. K, k. Now, an extra trick you can do is take your finger and hold your tongue down. K, k. Holding my tongue down will keep it nice and low in my mouth. Now, another trick you can do is touch your throat as you make your k sound. This will help you remember that the back of your mouth is what is doing all the work. So although my tongue is low and I'm focusing on keeping the tip behind my front teeth, the back of my tongue is doing the work. So I'm going to touch my throat to remember that the back of my tongue is what is making the noise. K, 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 k. Now, let's move on to our g sound. To make our g sound, I'm going to do the same exact thing, except my voice is going to be on. Okay, now to turn my voice on, I'll speak louder. Instead of a k, k, I'm going to turn the voice on for g, g. I'll be able to know if my voice is on by feeling my throat. When I feel my throat, I can feel it vibrating as I talk. You should feel your throat vibrating or moving a little bit as you say your g sound. Okay, let's try it. G, g. I keep the tip of my tongue behind my bottom teeth as the back of my tongue is working for my g sound. Now, did you feel how your throat vibrated? Oh my gosh, I felt mine. G, g. Now, let's try something super cool. Let's try a k sound and then turning our voice on for the g sound. When you do your k sound, you're not going to feel your throat vibrating. But when you turn on your voice, your throat is going to start vibrating and moving a little bit. That's how you know your voice is on. Here we go. K, k, g, g. Oh, I felt my throat vibrating. Awesome job. Now that we know how to make our k and g sounds, let's do a few practice words. We're going to first start with our k sound. Okay, if it helps, go ahead and touch your throat with me. Here we go. K, E, k, E, k, E. Now it's your turn. Make sure to keep your tongue tip low and behind those bottom teeth. Awesome work. Let's try another word. Here we go. Aim. 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 Now it's your turn. Great work. Okay, let's try another sound with our k sound at the beginning. All right, let's try k, om, k, om, k, om. I keep my tongue nice and low as the back of my tongue works. Now it's your turn. Awesome job. Okay, let's try some words with our k sound in the middle. These are going to be a little bit tricky, but you can do it. If it helps, just say your word nice and slow. Here we go. Baker. 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 Now it's your turn. Great job. Let's try another word with our k sound in the middle. Jack it. Jack it. Jack it. Now it's your turn. Great job keeping your tongue nice and low. Awesome. Let's do one more word with our k sound in the middle. Lucky. 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 Now it's your turn. Great work. Okay, let's do some k with our sound at the end of the word. Bike. 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 Now it's your turn. You're doing awesome. Keep up the good work. Let's do another word with k at the end. Duck. 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 Now it's your turn. Fantastic. Okay, let's do one more word with k at the end. Pick. 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 Now it's your turn. Great work. Okay, now we are going to do some practice words with our g sound. The g sound is also known as the gulping sound. Here we go. Remember to turn your voice on so that you can feel your throat vibrating. Here we go. G, aim. G, aim. G, aim. Okay, now it's your turn. Great work. Let's do another word with g at the beginning. Gown. 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 Now it's your turn. Remember to keep your voice on and your tongue nice and low. Remember that the back of your tongue is working. Great work. Let's do another word with g at the beginning. If it helps, you can even tip your head back as you make your sound. That will help you work the back of your tongue as well. Okay. G-oat. 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 Now it's your turn. Great work. Okay, now let's try some words with g at the, in the middle of the word. Okay, here we go. Begin. 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 Now it's your turn. Try your best. Great trying. Okay, let's do another word with g in the middle. Tiger. 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 Now it's your turn. Make sure that tongue is low. Awesome. You can slow your words down if you need to. Let's try another word with g in the middle. Sugar. 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 Now it's your turn. Fantastic. Okay, now let's do some words with g at the end. Okay, here we go. Big. 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 Now it's your turn. Amazing. Great job keeping your tongue low. All right, let's do another. Egg. 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 Now it's your turn. Make sure your voice is on. Fantastic. Okay, let's do one more word. Here we go. Pig. 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 All right, now it's your turn. Keep that tongue low and your voice on. Great work. You did an amazing job. Just remember that when you're making your k and g sounds, that your tongue stays behind your lower teeth. And the back of your tongue is what's working. You can tip your head back to work at the back of your tongue more. And remember that when you make your k sound, our voice is off. And when you make your g sound, our voice is on. You did a great job. All right, bye-bye.